In front of me is REALME 16 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First, launch Settings and scroll to hit Google. Now select All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google over here. Tap on Google Password Manager. Select any password you wanna delete and enter your screen lock. Then hit Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!